أحبنا صغير يحبني لكن هلا يخاف لا يضر.
This place has a lot of vibes. Good evening from Khan el Khalili Market here in Cairo. So today I'm taking you guys to a restaurant here in the market with a very nice view and some entertainment in the evening. So we already have a very lively environment around us. And here we are. So let's go inside. Salam alaikum. Shukran. Come in. All right, let's go up and see what is happening. So I've actually been here before. Quite recently I was with my friend just grabbing a coffee, but I've heard they have live entertainment and so I wanted to capture some of it. Salam alaikum. Shukran. Salam alaikum. أهلا. ممكن إذا هنا مرة
الترددات الفردية. This table 2 person. Table 4 person.
I would like to sit here.
Upstairs.
هنا.
هنا.
عشان عايزة أصور. شكرا. All right, we gotta sit at the smaller table because I'm just by myself, but still, it's an amazing view. Shukran. Ahmed. Okay. Shukran. All right, so we have got ourselves a table. Check out this view. What's up there? Is that a different restaurant?
Yeah.
نيش هنا.
لا هنا وهنا.
أنا أقدر أروح.
طبعا. This door, this is the location, total location.
Yeah, this is a nice view. But for the entertainment, I don't know, maybe we should be downstairs. All right, so we get...
Scan menu.
Scanning, okay.
لا لا بصور نفسها.
Scan the menu. And up that way, you have obviously a very nice view, but you need a large group of people. So we are going to be down here. But there is a nice view of the entertainment. So this is one of the main reasons that I came here at this hour. So here at the table, and I just want to tell you guys a little bit about this restaurant. So the name is Saheb El Sa'ada, which literally translates to like the owner of happiness. Now if you want to come here, you can almost anytime. I'm not even sure of their hours, but I know they're open late like most things in Egypt. I will leave the location and a link to the location in the description of this video, so check that out if you want to know how to get here yourself. Now if you want to watch the entertainment, which should be happening soon, I heard around 7 p.m., then it is a 250 charge to be here during the entertainment. So just to see it, you're going to pay 250 Egyptian pounds. If you come outside of those hours, then you will not be charged that fee. I also heard when I called earlier, because I was going to see if I can make a reservation, it does not seem that making a reservation is possible. That might be wrong though. It might be possible, but that's what I was told. And I was also told that there was a minimum charge for food that you have to spend, but when I got here, I was told that I didn't need to. So who really knows? But the music starts at around 7 and it goes till very late, around 2 a.m. I was told. So plenty of time to capture the entertainment. I believe it's Tanura dancing, maybe some Nubian dancing. We'll see. I've honestly never been here to watch the entertainment. I've only had some coffee here. So I've looked at the menu. I ordered a fatir, chicken fatir. Wow. So let's try it. Chicken fatir. It is good. With the chilies in there, I love that. It's a huge menu. Lots of things to choose from. Fatir is very old, actually. It goes back to the times of the ancient Egyptians. If you get like fatir mesheltet, which is just plain fatir. I made a video about that. They usually serve it with like old cheese or molasses. This is like a pizza version of it, if you can say that. There's chicken and there's ranch sauce on it. That's what I ordered. There's definitely places where you could get a more authentic experience for fatir, but for me right now, I'm enjoying it. And I also ordered a lemon mint. I tend to order that a lot when I go to restaurants because it is very delicious. But a beautiful view of the Qalawun Complex here, and we have the mausoleum, the madrasa, the dome. There's a lot. A madrasa is a school of Islamic studies, and I do plan on filming a video about these ancient sites and a lot more in Khan el Khalili, including other restaurants. So subscribe if you want to see those coming up hopefully soon. So the music should be starting very soon, but I just wanted to show you guys the street below this restaurant, which is Al Muizz Street. It is over 1,000 years old, and the mausoleum and the mosque here, Qalawun, is over 700 years old, so very historic, as I've already mentioned. Very beautiful, very festive vibes.
معايا غنوا معايا. يلا يابا. لا أجمل من كده. يلا يابا. والليلة جينا نهديكوا، هاتوا الفلوس اللي عليكوا، ولا 1 ولا 100 ولا 1500 ولا كل الدنيا دي ولا. أحب أنا صغيرون يحبني لكن هلا يخاف لا يضرب. هذا النصيب انكتب. أحب أنا صغيرون يحبني لكن هلا يخاف لا يضرب. يابا الله يبعت له السفر. طلع بالنسوان بدك بالدنيا، وعم تطلع بالنسوان بدك بالدنيا. اللي ما يحب النسوان الله يبعت له حلي، اللي ما يحب النسوان يابا الله يبعت له السفر. وننبسط ونرقص وكل حاجه. ردوا عليا. وانا بقول شويه انا برقص وانا برقص واشوف اللي باعني وسبني وخدني خلى قلبي
So yeah, this place has a lot of vibes. Really fun. I think I'm gonna take off soon, but I'm happy to have come here. There's gonna be music happening all night till like 2 in the morning. So yeah, these are the vibes, guys. One last slug. As usual, the vlog continues after I say goodbye. I'm just leaving the restaurant here. It is crowded, both in the restaurant and on the streets here. So we just get out of the market and catch an Uber. I'm gonna find someone to give the rest of my food to. It was an expensive bill, but I already knew that walking in with the fee for the entertainment. That was a good experience though, it was interesting. And there was definitely more happening. As I was leaving, there was a guy with a stick. Shukran! There was a guy with a stick, so I mean, like, there's definitely more entertainment. Good entertainment. People like see the camera and they stop walking, like, keep moving, bro. Anyways, beautiful night. And festive vibes in Khan el Khalili. As always, you guys have a good night, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.